These muffins are the perfect blend of cheesy and sweet. Perfect with coffee or tea. You can eat this anytime you want. So stick around if you want to find out how I made it. We're going to start with melted butter on the big bowl, and then we're going to add brown sugar. You can use any sugar that you want, but I prefer brown sugar. Then we're going to whisk it until everything is well combined. Next, we're going to add 2 eggs, one at a time, ensuring that it's well incorporated before adding the next one. We are now going to add a splash of vanilla. I'm using clear vanilla extract here, but you can use any flavor that you want. Next, we're going to add 3/4 cup of sweetened condensed milk, and make sure you get all of that sweet and milky goodness into the batter. And continue whisking. Next, we're going to add our dry ingredients. So we're going to sift some flour directly into the batter to ensure that there are no lumps. Add salt and some nutmeg. Mix until everything is well combined. I switched to a spatula to ensure that I don't overmix the batter. So I don't want to end up with rock hard muffins. Then we'll add half a block of cheese. Save the other half for toppings later. Mix until we incorporate the cheese again. Very careful not to overmix. Add the muffins on muffin tins or muffin containers and top with the remaining cheese. Bake the muffins for about 18 minutes at 180 degrees. Keep an eye on them because the tops will turn golden brown and you don't want to burn the cheese. It's done once and a toothpick comes out clean when inserted in the center of the muffins. You will end up with something like this once you're done baking, and I like to serve them warm with a little bit of condensed milk on the top. And there you have it. These are our cheesy condensed milk muffins. Please make sure to share this video, like and subscribe, and watch out for the next video on the Newbie Cook. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.